As a nursing mom, I don't know if it's just me, but to do pap, I get tired of doing pap because for God's sake, before you know the pap has finished, you have all those process of washing it, going to go and grind, and then sieving. Oh, sometimes I feel like I wish I like where I am. I wish like there's somewhere I can actually just go and buy bulk amount of pap from or someone that can do it. So now what am I trying to say in essence? You see, this is a problem. A lot of stay at home, a lot of nursing mom, they don't have the time. They have a lot of things they are doing. They don't have the time to be making pap. They need who can do it for them. So this is a problem. This is a business idea. One thing about business sometimes is solving problem for people. Do you understand? So now you can now say, okay, since there are a lot of working class mom that are nursing, they need someone to help them make pap, you can actually start it up. And you can start it in your house. Pap making company. That's the name of your company. Okay, so pap making. You can start pap making business as a business. And I can say it is very lucrative. You can never run out of customer. Oh, I'm telling you. You can never run out. In fact, you're the one that will be tired. Because for a nursing mom, you pap is something that is every time. It's every time. It is every time. So this is something you can think of to start doing. Okay, so what do you do? I make pap for people. You can start advertising, tell people, oh, I can make pap for you. Just bring your pap, bring whatever I want to use to do it, your millet or your corn or whatever. I will do it for you. And then you just pass by. When you're passing by, you just branch and you take your pap inside a very fine, custard container, the container the person wants you to put the pap in. And then you can charge 1,000 naira, 1,500 naira, 2,000 naira, and people will be willing to pay. Yeah, people will be willing to pay. So somewhere like me, I can decide to do pap that will take me for a whole month. I might decide someone that might want to do pap for a whole month, can just come with. And then you can even charge it this way. When somebody come with maybe one module, two module, you can take 1,000 naira. Three module, four module, you can charge 2,000 naira, to prepare the pap for the person. And above that, five module, if somebody come with five module or six module, you can charge 3,000 naira to process the pap for the person. But now in this business, what do you need? You need your own grinding machine. Yeah, you actually need your own grinding machine because it is a pap making business. So you don't have to go and be, you have to have the grinding machine in your house. So that's what you need. You need to get a grinding machine for this business. So when people come, what they have to do is they just bring their corn or this thing, and then you tell them, okay, by tomorrow it should be ready. You come and pick up your pap. They bring out their container. They have to bring their container where after doing the pap, you're going to put the pap inside. So it's as easy. You wash, you soak it for them inside water. You blend and then you sieve. You should also have your sieving material. You also have your sieving material and bowl that you'll be needing to sieve the pap. And then you finish sieving and then you put it in the container for them. And once they come, they just pick it up, pay your money and go. So you can see this is a lucrative business. And a lot of people, when people know that, oh, this is what this person do, you'll be having a lot of customers. I'm telling you, you're going to be having a lot of customers. You're going to be having a lot of customers. So when I do this month, definitely I want to do, maybe I make like 4 module of pap this month. Definitely I want to do next month. So everybody, if you have like 20 nursing mom that are doing this month, 20 of them will still come back, and more people are giving birth. People are giving birth every blessed day. Thousands of people are giving birth. Do you understand? So you can never run out of customers. You can never run out of customers. So this business is very, very, very profitable. It is lucrative, right? And you just need to stay in your house to do it. Tell people, advertise. That's all you need for this business. See, this is, I'm telling you, this is a very, 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 very lucrative. If you can do it, I'm telling you. And then you can also, if you know, you can even also um with time you can even upgrade. Do you understand? It's not that you're going to leave this one you're doing, no, because I think I've seen people doing dry pap. I've seen people doing dry pap, they do that on the store. So you can also do something like that, that you can package and be selling. Okay, you can tell them, okay, oh, I've started doing dry pap, oh, in case you want, you understand, you can buy. And then also, if you're when you're doing this part business, you can have your own, like you can buy your own bag of corn, you can buy your own bag of millet, you can buy your own bag of guinea corn, right? You can buy it. Because for me, I want to, so that when these people that are coming that want to do pap, when they come to you, you tell them, oh, I sell these things and sell market price. Do you understand? You still make a profit. Sell market price. So when they come, you tell them, I sell this thing. So all they will need to do is just, okay, how much for how many module? You're selling that one, you're still making profit from your pap processing, you're still making money from selling this grain. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So when they come, all they'll have to do is, they don't even need to come when we have phone, when we have smartphone. So what they'll just do, they'll just communicate to you, okay, process one module of millet and one module of guinea corn for me, or process two module of corn and two module of millet for me. So that's what they'll do. And when it's ready, you just let them know, okay, it is ready. And all they'll have to do is to come and pick it up. I'm telling you, you're going to be making cool cash. Cool cash. So if you find this video helpful, share, because there's somebody that is waiting out there to hear this information. You don't know who you might be helping. So share this video and give this video a like. See you in my next video.